we have travelled to Halifax today to the grand opening of Colchester Machine Tools Solutions brand new facility. Now, you've also introduced a new product range to your product portfolio. We've had a look at the machine tools, but why have you introduced the laser machines?
Well, it's a new concept for Colchester to introduce the machines here in the UK. So myself and my colleague Paul Buckley are running the UK sales team. So we've got, as you can see, we've got laser gear. Laser gear incorporates the box and the cube. Now these are level entry machines, so we will be basically selling these off the shelf at a very competitive price. Each machine comes with its own sort of software package, which is relatively easy to use, the MiniLase Pro SE. So we'll be promoting that as well. As part of the deal, we'll incorporate installation, training, and a service package for each customer thereafter. We also have bespoke made lasers for bigger businesses such as aerospace, automotive, medical, etc., etc. The difference between the lasers are obviously the bigger the laser, the more sort of industrial, the more use you can get out of it. It has opportunities for you to have or include rotary systems, more powerful lasers. We also have lasers that will mark wood, plastics, glass, etc., etc. But that's a different type of laser for those type of applications. So we have all those things to offer.
Is it all about the traceability?
Traceability. More and more companies are becoming audited for where their parts come from. So having traceability on marked parts also stops illegal trade from the black market, etc., etc. So everything has that traceability, that mark, which is unique to the customer or the company that are producing the parts which are marked to sell on to the end user.
So are you giving your customers really an opportunity to add value to their business, even if they wanted to add a company logo to a component, for example?
Well, if you think about some of the companies that outsource their marking already, okay, some of that can be quite expensive. So giving them the opportunity to purchase a laser gives them the opportunity to mark their own logos, to do their own barcodes, whatever they want to mark on that, and bring that in-house. That reduces the cost to the business, and it adds value to their products, and it also gives the customer the ability to sort of announce to their sellers beyond the in-house business that we can do all this in-house.